Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And so today's tutorial we are going to learn how to cut full shoulder circle sleeve. Yes, full shoulder circle sleeve. And so please, if you are watching me and you have not subscribed, I beg you to consider subscribing, like and share this video and leave a comment. Let's get started.
And this is what you need. You need your fabric. You need a fabric based on the length of your sleeve. That is what you need a fabric for. But with this full shoulder circle sleeve, we are going to use a length of 12. And we have added 1 inch to it to make it 13. Okay, we are using armhole of 18 for this 18. And the 18, because it's a circle, we are going to divide it by 6.28. That is for circle cutting, which is equal to 2.9. But we are going to run it to 3 inches. Then we need a sleeve length. The sleeve length is 12 plus 1, making 13. And so what you are going to do is you are going to measure 13 all round to this place. So place our tape measure here and then mark 13. Just at the corner here, we'll mark 13 again. So this one is full shoulder circle sleeve. Full shoulder circle sleeve. Okay. We are going to cut it through. Okay, so this is it. Now we are going to notch this place. We will need it, so we'll notch these 2 places. Then we will notch this place also. Okay, then we are going to mark the middle. Yeah, we'll just place a mark at the middle. So we are done this way. We are going to open it. So open it this way. Then we are going to follow the lines. We are going to join from the middle to where we notched. Where we notched, the same thing. Okay. I've marked it out, meeting each point. Okay. And so when we take our armhole, which is 18, we have divided it by 6.28. It's equal to 2.9. I said the 6.28 is the standard measurement for full circle. So your armhole, you divide it by 6.28, which is equal to 2.9. 2.9, I round it to 3 inches. 3 inches. So we'll mark 3 inches here. From the middle or from the center, we'll mark 3 inches. This is 3 inches. And then from this 3 inches, you are going to mark 3 inches all round. We are going to follow it that way. It went off a bit. So make sure you be on the line, the point, exactly the point. my tape measure shifted a bit. Okay. Okay, let me correct this place. Okay, so we have it this way. Forget about the middle, these ones. My tape measure shifted. And so we have it this way. Let's just follow the point and draw it very well. So we are going to cut this. We are going to cut it. So this is it. So when we raise it this way, this is it. This is the longer part here. This is going to be on your shoulder, and this is going to be your armhole area. And so all that you have to do is you just divide this one into two. You divide it into two and you measure your armhole. I'm using 18, so I'll measure 9, and this is 9. And because I'm joining it to a sleeve, I'll add, let's say, 1/2 inch or 1 inch to it. So if it's 1 inch, this is my 1 inch, which is okay. So I'll sew on this and then attach it to my armholes. And so this is it for our full shoulder circle sleeve.